keep missing you doing it. Oh, that's a cute one though.
Mmm, it tastes good. It tastes good. Do you need help? You want to help him, Mommy?
You're a funny guy. Oops. Sorry.
He's actually more helpful than I expected him to be. For 7 months.
It's your 7-month birthday in 2 days.
Whoa.
What is it? What is it, Mom? He says, give it to me faster.
This paper tastes like crap. Whoa.
Are you ready? Now here we go.
Look at this. Oscar? No, that's not for you. That's
You wanna do
really
it again?
cute.
You want to do it again? Is there any way that you're supposed to put this back in, or do you just shove it back